Hello guys, welcome to Concept. Today we will be learning about what to do when your mutual fund underperforms. But before that, if you're new to the video, you can go in the description. There is a link below. With the help of that, you can download and install Concept Wealth application. After successful registration, you will get some free tools in the application that will enhance your investment journey. Okay, now at any point of time, if you guys are having any kinds of doubts or query, so you can contact us on this number and we will be there to sort your queries out. Okay, so let's start today's session, that is what you can do when your mutual fund is underperforming, right? So for that we will be looking into some strategies. Okay, so now the first thing is that reassess your investment goals. Okay, so you have to reassess your investment goals, and in which you have to see, so first of all you have to analyze like what are your financial goals. For example, if you are investing for your you can say for your children's marriage or for your retirement or for a short term goal, like you are investing for a house or for a car, right? So you have to make your financial goal for the first thing. That is the first thing. Now it should define your time horizon also, right? For example, you want to buy a car, so at that time your time horizon should be less, and in which you will be going to invest in debt schemes, right? But if you are going to invest for a longer period of time, for example retirement purpose, right? So at that time you will go for the ELSS, or you can say for the equity term mutual fund as well, right? So that is the thing. Now, has your risk tolerance changed? For example, your mutual fund is not performing good, right? It is underperforming right now, so you have to re-evaluate like if you can take more risk or not, right? If you can invest more right now in your portfolio, right, or not, right? So you have to analyze that thing. Okay, let's go on to the next slide, and in the next slide we have analyze the fund's performance. Now if your mutual fund is not performing and continuously the performance of your fund, you can say it is decreasing down, so at that time the first thing is that you can compare the fund's performance with the benchmark index, right? So you can see like if the Nifty index is performing good or not, right? If your Nifty index is performing good and at the same time your mutual fund it is not giving you good return, so it means you have selected wrong fund, or there must be something wrong with the fund manager performance, right? Or you have to re-evaluate your portfolio or adjust some positions as well, right? So this is the thing. Now in this underperformance, temporary or the consistent trend, so you have to see the past data of your mutual fund as well, right? Because there can be sometimes there can be some you can say scenario in which the market is in, you can say, volatility for a short term period only, right? So at that time it will be better if you will hold your particular mutual fund. But if the overall trend is in negative, so at that time it is better to exit from your trade timely. Okay, now check if the sector or the market conditions are affecting it. So sometimes it can also happen, ठीक है, कि आपका जो sector है वही perform नहीं कर रहा है. For example, there are seasons when the health sector is not performing, right? Or there can be some months in which the manufacturing sectors it goes down, right? So it will not give you good returns. So it can also happen at that time. So you have to evaluate that also. Okay, then the next reason can be evaluate the fund manager, right? So whenever we are going to invest in the mutual fund, so there comes the important point, that is the fund manager's performance, right? You have to choose your fund manager, okay, according to its past performance, like how he evaluates your portfolio as well, at which time he is going to buy, at which time he is selling your funds as well. Okay, so this is the thing. Research if there has been change in the फंड मैनेजमेंट. ओके, आपको ये भी देखना पड़ेगा कि ऐसा तो नहीं है कि फंड मैनेजर का जो मैनेजमेंट है उसमें कुछ चेंज आया हुआ है. और यू कैन ऑल्सो सी हैज द फंड मैनेजर चेंज रिसेंटली एंड चेक द फंड मैनेजर्स ट्रैक रिकॉर्ड इफ he was performing good in the last few years or how much returns he is producing, right? So you have to see that also. Okay, so I hope this concept is clear. ठीक है, इसके बाद जो फोर्थ पॉइंट है, कंसीडर कॉस्ट एंड फीस, बिकॉज वेन एवर यू आर गोइंग टू इन्वेस्ट इन द फंड देयर कम्स expense ratio also. Okay, and it will directly impact your net asset value, that is NAV. Okay, so you have to take care of that also. ठीक है, तो आपका expense ratio हो गया. Now consider if switching to a lower cost fund is beneficial, if it is giving you good returns, okay, और the net asset value आपको shift करना पड़ेगा बड़े net asset value पे, तो you can do that also, ठीक है, थोड़ा बहुत adjustment you can make with your portfolio अगर underperform कर रहा है mutual fund तो, ठीक, okay. Then we have the fifth point here, that is the diversify portfolio. So that is a very important thing. You have to keep a diversification in your portfolio so that if one sector will be in a downtrend, so you can go with the average costing and you will not bear any more losses there, right? So that is one of the things that you have to do to reduce your, you can say, loss, right? Okay. तो आई होप ये क्लियर हो रहा है सारे पॉइंट्स, ठीक है। इसके बाद जो हमारा सिक्स एंड द लास्ट पॉइंट, when you have to exit. So for example, if your portfolio is in loss and your mutual fund is performing like this, so the return has been decreased from 5%, you can say, right? But in the past you have seen, like from the 10% your fund gave a good रिवर्स बैक, सो इट मीन्स यू कैन मेक इट एज योर एसएल, ठीक है। तो ये जो आपका लॉस चल रहा है ये बहुत ही शॉर्ट टर्म का है, राइट? सो इट विल नॉट सस्टेन मोर इन द मार्केट, तो कहीं ना कहीं वापस मार्केट आएगा, राइट? और व्हाट यू कैन डू, देन यू कैन गो विद द मोर कॉस्टिंग, आप इसमें ज्यादा इंस्टॉलमेंट और दे सकते हो, यू कैन एट दैट टाइम यू कैन पे मोर टू योर फंड्स, ठीक है, आप ज्यादा दे सकते हो, सो दैट व्हेन इट विल गो अबव एट दैट टाइम यू विल गेट गुड प्रॉफिट, ठीक है। बट अगर आपको पता है कि नहीं भाई मेरा ऑलरेडी बहुत ज़्यादा लॉस चल रहा है एंड यू कैन नॉट मैनेज दैट मच रिस्क, ओके, सो दैट इज बेटर कि आपको पता होना चाहिए व्हेन टू एग्जिट फ्रॉम योर पोजीशन एज वेल, ठीक है। तो वहीं यहाँ पे लिखा है इफ लॉन्ग टर्म अंडर परफॉर्म्स परसीड्स कंसिडर एग्जिटिंग द फंड, ठीक है, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है, क्योंकि अगर 100 रुपए है तो इट इज बेटर टू एग्जिट एट 50 इंस्टेड ऑफ लूजिंग ऑल द 100, ठीक है। तो ये आपको अपना मोटो बनाना पड़ेगा। सो दिस इज हाउ यू कैन री इवेल्युएट योर पोर्टफोलियो, योर म्यूचुअल फंड्स व्हेन इट इज अंडर परफॉर्मिंग। सो keep in mind all these terms that I have told you, all these points that I have told you, and it will be good, it will be better for your investment. So I hope आज का concept आपको समझ आएगा। अगर आपको पसंद आए, you can like the video, you can share it with your friends as well, you can share your views in the comment section. Thank you so much. This is your trainer Ankit Singh Rawat. Have a good day.